Hello and welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. Are you ready to read with me? Let's start. I is a tricky word. Went. To is a tricky word. Tricky words cannot be sounded out. The is a tricky word. Bus. Stop. I went to the bus stop. To learn the tricky words, you can check our tricky words videos. Check the playlist. He is a tricky word. Can. Fix. It. Soon. Is a digraph. Digraphs are 2 letters and 1 sound. He can fix it soon. It was as a tricky word. In the tricky word. Nest. It was in the nest. She is a tricky word. Can. Sing. Is a digraph. Well. She can sing well. The goat. O is a digraph. Is angry. As a digraph and Y is making E sound here. The goat is angry. Why? I, tricky word. Think. The boat. O as a digraph. Was, tricky word. Red. I think the boat was red. I can I, swim. I, in. The tricky word big, big. Pool. Oo is a digraph. I can swim in the big pool. Hills. Dog. Was is a tricky word. Lost. In the tricky word woods. His dog was lost in the woods. Keep practicing and watch our other reading videos. Link is given in the description. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Woods.